1,400 failures, 70 hackathons, and one lesson. Innovation doesn't happen alone. I'm Ibrahim, the founder of Open Community, a global movement where developers and the researchers collaborate to turn AI ideas into real-world impact. We have already built tools like Combinator, boosting brain MRI accuracy to 95% in 1,400 hospitals. For example, last month we hosted a 72-hour hackathon with 307 hackers across 5 continents. Zero budget, 73 projects shipped. We even launched a meme coin and a music album for startups. Why? Because AI should be fun, open, and human. In 8 months, we have really 200 builders, mentored 200,000 developers, and hit 100,000 users. With YC, we will scale this into a GitHub of AI actions and a collaboration where anyone, anywhere can change the world. Let's build.